YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to change your crankcase fluid. So anyway, we're going to go under the car. So this is the front grille. And we're going to go under here. By the way, my car is not jacked up, so it's a tight space. So I'm trying to show you guys where the drain plug and then the fuel plug. And for the crankcase, it's about 0.45 quarts. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys where the plugs are at. So from the front, the first plug right here, that is your transmission fluid, and you will need to use a 5/16 hex key or hex wrench for that. And this is the fuel plug. You need to use a 3/8 socket wrench, and below that, that is the drain plug. Okay, next to the exhaust system right here. Okay, so we're gonna drain this. This is the crankcase. That is the crankcase fluid right here. The fuel plug, drain plug. And if you move up to the front, this is the transmission drain plug. Anyway, we're going to use a 3/8 to break it loose. This is my 3/8. It's going to be tight because it's first time we changing it. Let me use my torque wrench. Oh, there you go. Wow, there it goes. Well, it's hot because I was driving it. So you want to drive it and make sure your fluids are warm up, so it's easy to flush. Make sure you get the drain pan ready. And then for the fuel plug, I will need to use this one. Go. You need to wipe it clean as a magnetic. So the fuel plug looks pretty clean. I'm still gonna wipe it down, and you got the crush washer right there as well. I think that's good enough. wipe it clean. You're supposed to put like 33 foot-pound. Okay, it's good. So you need to use this Honda genuine high boil gear oil SG-1 GL5 SAE 75W85. Okay. So you will need to use the transfer pump for this cap. Some of them they have a bigger cap. Okay. So I'm gonna put the short one, the straw, and then I'll screw it on, and then we're gonna fill this fluid through the fill hole. Okay. Remember to unscrew this so the pump could go up so you can start pumping. Put the drain bucket on the bottom, so once it's fully overflow, that means it's ready. So yeah, with the transfer pump, it makes life much more easier. Oh, it's coming out. Yeah, pump a little bit more. Let it overflow a little bit. There you go. That means full. Okay? You get a better view like that. Well, anyway, that's how you change your transfer case fluid. And I'm gonna put it back. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.